Hi mga ka-trippers! It's morning time. So we're here at Circle. So mag-circle pa tayo today. Mag-zumba tayo sa ating daily lifestyle. So kailangan natin maging fit sa ating katawan. So actually guys, hindi naman super fit. Kasi nga, petlog nga. Yeah. So we're here now at Circle. Mag-ayan po guys. Magsusumba tayo for today. So ayan. May bibigyan natin yung kung anong ganap. So this is a Circle place. So we're going guys. We're going to walk. So see you guys. We're gonna get here. So ayan, jogging tayo for check out. Ayan. So we're going walk. Habang nabuko. So this is a Circle guys. So marami tayong makikita iba't ibang tao dito for jogging. So ayan guys. So ayan, we're walk. Guys, so we're here now, Circle. So marami din nakikita dito mga tao. So we have a Zumba yan. Zumba guys. So mag-Zumba tayo for today. We're doing this. We're doing dance. Ayan. So this Zumba time for walk. Zumba guys. So yan. Masaya dito pag morning. So I'll try to Zumba dito guys. Mag-Zumba din ako. So hanap tayo ng spot na pwede. Zumba tayo. Wait lang. We're done. Zumba time, Circle.
Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw.
We're already done. So ayun guys, we're Zumba time. So we're walk. Okay, Zumba. I think we're done. Zumba. We're walk. We're jogging guys. Mag-jogging po tayo for today guys. So we're doing jogging guys. So check natin yung Circle. Kung gaano kadami ang nag-jogging pag mo. Today's Thursday, so walang field trip, wala masyadong ano. So ayan guys, Circle, the famous story about ako dyan. So we're jogging. Mag-jogging pa ako today. So hinihingal ako for run. So dapat pag nag-jogging tayo, meron tayo makasabay na alam mo rin yung feeling mo. So hi, good morning guys. So after ko mag-zumba, going to jogging guys. So pupuntahan natin ang mga food bazaar here at Circle. So ito yung dating fountain. So wala na siya. Tinanggal. So we're here at ayan. QC Food Court. Ay makikita mo naman. Sa pagpasok mo guys, we have actually it's early pa, hindi masyadong bukas lahat yung store. So ayan yung mga stores we have here more. So meron dining dito guys, for dining here. So after your walk, ito marami dito kainan no. So sa lahat ng magpipill trip dito, ayan, we have a juice bar. So after walk, actually guys, maraming food dito kaya lang it's early pa. Ayan, ang snow, ayan, chili, sisig sarap, ang dami, we have a shake here. Ayan, ang daming pwedeng kainin. Ang daming masarap dito. So we walk, where we have here, ayan, ang daming pwedeng kainin sa Circle guys. So kaya lang it's early pa, marami silang pagkain dito, like this. Ayos, barbecue. So maaga pa kaya wala masyadong food. Meron sila mga shake dito. Paano yung manga nyo? 50? So we have a 50 other. So ikot muna tayo guys. So after the walk, check na. Ito yung mga food, sisig, ayan. Ang daming pwede kainin dito for walk. So guys, so marami rin pala ito mga amenities ngayon. Pag nag-walk kayo, we have here jogging activities. We have, ayan, dito, marami dito. I think it's bike, ano. Just check mo lang to, ayan. We have a biking here. We have a jogging, I think sa mga babies. So if you have a baby to play dito, marami dito. For free guys. So ayan. Ang dami natin pwedeng tutun dito sa Circle guys. So we walk again. Marami rin dito pwedeng kumain. So kung gusto nyo mag-picnic with friends, we have, or family regarding to. Yan dito may tennis sila guys. So we'll walk again. So ang dami pwedeng gawin dito. This is the bike, tawag sa Hans. For free lang ito lahat So we'll walk again. So maglalakad tayo guys. Dito sa Circle Memorial. So we'll walk. So actually guys, maganda dito sa Circle. All the amenities is free. Ayan. Pero yung mga foods hindi free Ayan guys. So we'll walk. So sa CR nila guys, ang ganda ng CR ng Circle. Actually, first na yung CR nila napakaganda. So, we'll walk. Check natin yung CR. Pagpasok natin yung CR ng Circle. This is a park. Yung garden nila, ayan guys. We have a garden here. So if you want to, may ka magplantita. So yung dami dito yung mga plant. We have so many plant here. So ayoko nang umikot doon. But it's nice. So check natin yung CR. Pagpasok natin dito, CR ng male or female. So makita mo agad CR nila, ang ganda, ang linis. So pagpasok natin, we're locked. Check lang natin yung CR. Kami tao pa guys. So guys, ayoko mag-video sa CR kasi may mga tao. Pero the CR is very clean. So ayan po yung kanilang mga plants here at Circle Memorial. So we have other store po dito guys. Mga drinks, buko, ang dami.
One eternity later.
Yung walang sugar. Yeah. So guys, we are already done sa aking jogging for today. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, Trick No White. And bye!
Huh?